Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to unblock someone on Discord. Maybe you accidentally blocked someone on Discord, or maybe you had a misunderstanding with someone and blocked them, but now you want to unblock them. So today, I am going to show you how to unblock someone on Discord. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open your Discord application and log into your account. Once you are logged in, tap on the three horizontal lines at the top left corner of the screen. From the menu below, tap on your profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. On this user settings page, select this account option. In this page, scroll up and here you will now find this block users option. Simply tap on it. Here, you will see the list of all the users that you have blocked on Discord. Now, to unblock this user, you simply need to tap on this unblock button beside their username. After that, they will now be removed from this list of unblocked users. Another way is by tapping on their username to open their profile. In this window, tap on the three dots icon at the top right corner. Another window will appear, and here you can now see this unblock option. Simply tap on it. After that, you now have successfully unblocked this person on Discord. This user will now be able to message or call you again on Discord, and you will now receive notifications from them. There you go. If you wanted to know how to unblock someone on Discord, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to unblock someone on Discord, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.